Hey, man. Welcome.
All right.
Welcome.
Here we are,
You're
live.
live.
Energy Pros Show.
The Energy Pro Show. Energy professionals here. We are all about saving you money, saving you from wasting electricity, and finding you the best vendors for everything from LEDs, air conditioning, better choices for electricity, natural gas supply. And what we want to talk about today, what a great article. This was...
Hey guys, welcome to the Energy Pros Live. Really good to have you. Today we're talking about a very interesting subject and we'd like to know what you think about it.
Yeah.
Hey Medina.
Hey, how you doing? So welcome to everybody, all our friends around the world. I know from my friends in Russia and South America, we can help you too, but most of our stuff is in North America. But anyway, in Energy Professionals, we want to talk about what Chicago has this great article. This was in the... what is this?
Energy
News Network.
Yeah, Energy News Network. EnergyNews.us.
EnergyNews.us. This is Chicago's architectural landmarks. Retrofits must balance efficiency and integrity. So you want to keep your national landmark or your historic landmark or your regional landmark or your giant building like Inland Steel. You want to keep it beautiful, make it look like it was 150 years ago, only quit wasting all that energy.
Yeah, because 150 years ago, they weren't very energy efficient.
Well, 150 years ago, there wasn't a lot of electricity either. They were still burning oil lamps 150 years ago. Now, we've come a long way, but let me tell you something. We've come a long way in 10 years.
Oh, yeah.
You know, we have some energy efficiency projects right now where literally we can hook up a computer. I won't call it artificial intelligence, but it's super intelligent to your air conditioning systems and your key energy usage environment. This thing monitors everything for 30 days and then figures out how to save you money. And we'll put it in your building for 90 days, no charge. If you don't like it, we'll take it out. No charge.
Yeah, and that's a big part of saving energy is kind of knowing like where it's going, like kind of like saving money is like, where am I spending most of my money? Well,
where's it going?
Where's most of your electricity being wasted?
When is it being wasted? You know that some people are air conditioning their office spaces at night?
Yeah, they don't even know. They wonder why their electricity bill is so big.
Just throw the money away like this. Just burn it, throw it away. You know, if you have an extra $10,000 in your business that you want to throw away, just throw it, you know, just give it, at least give it to the people on the street. Quit wasting the energy. A lot of people, I mean, I'll tell you what, cold storage, we can save you 20% off your energy bill. Give us a call and find out how we can help your business quit throwing money away.
Yep. Because maybe your business is doing so good you don't care about wasting money, but it also has like an environmental impact. If you're using more electricity than you need to, it's hurting the environment because we have to, you know, someone has to burn more fossil fuels to give you that electricity.
Look, I know the CFO cares a lot about the bottom line.
Absolutely.
But, you know, the employees also care about their company and what they're doing with the environmental impact. So you can actually marry up. You can do both. You can protect the environment and add money to your bottom line because you're just wasting it right now. I'll tell you what, we're gonna attach this article because it's really awesome.
Yeah, we're gonna post this on YouTube.
Beautiful pictures.
And at the bottom will be a link to this article, but it's actually really interesting. So like in your town, in your city, you've probably got historical landmarks or buildings that have been here for over 100 years. And should we go back and change the way they are to make them more sustainable? I think yes, but some people probably think differently.
Totally agree. You should go back and fix the old buildings and keep the architectural integrity there, but you can actually now handle the energy so much more efficiently. It's not even funny. And also, here's a good one, energy efficiency and indoor air comfort. We have an indoor air quality team dedicated to making sure that your employees, your customers have the best air quality possible while reducing the energy it takes to air condition your building. We can do both. We actually have some meetings in California and Arizona. I'm not going to say the names because it's really big companies, but they're interested in our technology for also the antivirus ionization technique that we can put inside the air handler. This is pinpoint electricity. We ionize it. We have the studies to show it will crack the coronavirus shell.
Yeah, not
This
to
is
get
new stuff. This
too
is
much into
breaking
it.
news.
But improved air quality
Yeah.
will help reduce the amount of spread of any virus or bacteria.
Exactly.
We're
Write
not
to
just
me.
talking about COVID.
Jim@energyprofessionals.com if you want to know more about indoor air quality control and how we can make it safer for you, safer for your employees, safer for your customers, and save you money on your energy bill. Say it isn't so.
Yeah, I mean, it's a no-brainer.
It is true. It's a no-brainer.
no-brainer, guys. Especially at times like this. I mean, I go to some restaurants and they promote. They say, we take all the actions we need to keep
Right.
it safe and healthy. You can do the same. You could say, well, we purify our air every single evening. We run a full-time ionizer.
Why don't you crack the shell of those viruses, and any virus, coronavirus?
Like an eggshell?
Yeah, like an eggshell. Crack it. Boom, obliterate the virus. I'm telling you guys, this is really amazing technology, and we have access. We're an authorized dealer for this. I'll tell you what, though. You know what? There are companies right now. We're going to go and actually do a walkthrough in a 52-story building that has 62 air handlers, and they're going, you know what? We're interested because it's in California.
I don't even want to know how much energy we're going to save that cut. With 62 air conditioners?
62 huge air handlers.
Oh, my Lord.
This is massive. Now, talk about air quality, comfort, and efficiency. Because if we can reduce their spend by 20%,
That's a
all
lot
right,
of
let's
money
just say
right there.
10%. It's a huge amount of money. We're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars.
And we can do the same for your business. You don't have to have 60 air conditioners.
No, you can have
just
10.
4 or 6 or 10, and we can still help you. Hey guys, welcome to our live.
Welcome
Those of
to
you
Energy
just
Professionals
joined
Live.
us. We're talking about energy solutions that help you save money, and we're also talking about a really interesting article that
It's a
we
great
saw.
article. It's awesome. I'm telling you what, if you can save an old building, keep the structural integrity, keep the beauty, the actual architectural integrity of the building, and then reduce the energy usage on it, oh my God. You know, here's what we do at Energy Professionals. We help you create the exact strategy for your company so that you can maximize your efficiency, minimize your energy cost, and maintain your integrity and your comfort of your indoor air. So give us a call so we can help you be healthier, happier, and save money on your energy.
Cool. Well, thank you so much.
Thanks
Look
for
at
joining
the,
us.
Link below for the article.
We'll put the link on there.
And tomorrow we'll try to do this a little bit earlier than at the end of the day.
Hey, we were busy today. We helped a lot of businesses save a lot of money today. We're really happy about that. Thanks, Mimi. Love you. You're awesome. Hey, Bia. You guys have a
Hey.
great time.
Talk about yours or my shirt?
You're just cool. Martino's just ultra cool because he's Italian. Italians are actually born cool. They come out with mustaches,
Glasses,
beards.
sunglasses, and a Ferrari. You come out with a Ferrari.
Hey, I got the Ferrari keys. It's not
All
as
right,
fast
guys.
as my Maserati. Anyway, you guys have a great day.
Thank you
Love
for
you.
joining us.
Thanks for joining us. Have a
Bye-bye.
great one.